Hello there, I'm Nico and I'm from Pan Asia International School. I'm here to tell you about Pan Asia's Got Talent Summer Camp, nurturing your skills and talents. The camp is open to students aged 4 to 13 years old. At our camp, we will have a fun list of activities. The activities include the following: exciting English, brain builders, multi-sports, science experiments, arts and crafts, little chef, presentation skills, and coding. Our camp starts on Monday the 20th of June and it goes until Friday the 8th of July. We start at 9 o'clock in the morning and we finish at 2 in the afternoon. If you register now, the early bird special is 17,000 baht and that's until the 31st of May. So don't forget to register. For any more information, please call 083 096 2291. We hope to see you there.